Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we are going to make a pop-up notification app using Python. For that I am using PyCharm ID. You can use any ID or even a notepad. So let's first make a Python file. Let it be notification. Now here I am going to make a function ping. Now this function will ping a website and give us a status if it's running or not. If it's running, that means our internet is active and we will get a pop-up notification. So here I am going to use a parameter param. Now this parameter will return that how many number of echoes we will get on requesting that particular site. So here we will use -n if now we want to know whether the platform is Windows or Linux or Ubuntu or a Mac operating system. So for that we will use a library import platform. This library will tell us which operating system the current user is accessing. If platform dot system lowercase equals Windows, else we will use -c. In Windows you can also check under the ping command. Here -n stands for count, number of echo requests to send. Now our second parameter will be our command. Here the first parameter will be ping, the second parameter will be the param we have just declared. Now here I am saying that I want only one echo on the request that we have given to the website, and here we will provide the host, that is the website on which we will ping. So for that we need the argument host in our function. Now we are going to return the output we get on executing the command. So for executing the command, here we are not going to use a library import subprocess. These both platform and subprocess are inbuilt library which we get in Python. Subprocess.call. Now this call function will execute the command, and if it returns 0, that means the system have internet connection and it is active. Now we want to execute this command for infinite times because we never know when the internet will get active. For that we will use while loop, while true, that is it will go for infinite time. Now here we will use if condition. If we will call the ping method, and here we will pass an argument that will be the website name. Let it be google.com. Now here if this return statement will return true, then we should get the notification. For that we will use if it's get in the if condition, then print running, and now we should get the notification. For that we are going to use a library called plyer. You can install the plyer library using pip install plyer. As you can see, I have already installed the library. That's why I got the upgrade notification. In your case, it will install. Now from plyer we will use notification. It has various functions, but we will use notification dot notifier notification dot notify. Now here we will add some arguments to get the notification. Firstly, we will add title. That will be the title of our notification. Let it be internet status. Then we can have message that will say internet is active, and then we can provide timeout. Let it be 10 seconds. Here the timeout will act as a sleep time, that is for 10 seconds. Now if the ping is successful, we will get the notification, or else we will print not running. Now you might have noticed that we are using infinite loop. So in this situation we will ping for infinite time to google.com. To break that, we will use a break statement. That means if the ping is successful, it should provide the notification and then comes out of the loop. And in else part, we will print not running and then again call the ping function with the parameter of website name google.com. Now let's execute this script and see the output. So let's try it once again. Here you can see we got the notification. Title is internet status and message is internet is active. Here we can change the icon also using app_icon. Here we can provide the path to the icon. This same program you can also use for getting the notification after every 30 minutes of interval or 1 hour interval to have some rest while you are on work. Thanks for watching. Do like the video and share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.